So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 10 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about regulation of internal environment. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. So here we're going to start with the first question here. It says, the ability of an organism to maintain a constant internal environment is known as A. Diuresis, B. Endosmosis, C. Homeostasis, and D. Plasmolysis. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Homeostasis is actually the ability of an organism to maintain a fairly constant internal environment. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 2 here. It says, an organism which maintains a constant temperature irrespective of environmental temperature fluctuation is A. An amphibian, B. A fish, C. A mammal, D. An insect. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, and that's a mammal. So mammals are actually able to maintain a constant temperature irrespective of the environmental temperature fluctuation. So that's it for that question, guys. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. And that's question number 3 here. It says, the maintenance of a constant internal environment of an organism is known as A. Homeothermy, B. Homeostasis, C. Turgidity, and D. Homeoresis. So guys, the answer to this question is actually option B here, and that's homeostasis. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 4 here. It says, an example of homeostasis in living organisms is A. Changing of the body color of chameleon to match the color of the foliage on which it is resting. B. Root hairs of plants growing towards a source of light. C. The release of phosphorus into the phloem of a plant growing in phosphorus deficient soil. D. Cooling effect resulting from evaporation of water from the body surface. So guys, option D here is the answer to this question. An example of homeostasis here is the cooling effect resulting from the evaporation of water from the body surface. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. Question number 5 here. It says, the temperature control center in mammals is located in the A. Skin, B. Adrenal gland, C. Pituitary gland, D. Hypothalamus. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's the hypothalamus. The temperature control center in the mammals is actually located in the hypothalamus. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 6 here. The question says, the graph below shows the result of a laboratory investigation which measured the body temperature of a lizard and a bird under changing artificial condition. So use it to answer this question. What physiological term can be used to describe the regulation of the body temperature of the lizard? We have A. Osmoregulation, B. Homeothermic, C. Homeostasis, and D. Poikilothermic. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. Actually, the lizard is poikilothermic in nature, and that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question. That's question number 7 here. The question says, the process of maintaining a steady internal environment is known as A. Osmoregulation, B. Homeostasis, C. Plasmolysis, D. Equilibration. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B, and that's homeostasis, and that's the answer to this question here. So let's consider the next question, and that's question number 8 here. It says, the maintenance of a constant internal environment in an organism is known as A. Homeothermy, B. Diuresis, C. Dialysis, and D. homeostasis. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option D, and we've answered that before. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 9, guys. It says, flaccidity in plants is associated with A. Wilting, B. Cessation of photosynthesis, C. Turgidity, D. Discoloration of leaves. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's wilting. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question here. And that's question number 10. So here we also have this same graph, and we are to answer this question from this graph. And the question here says, which of the statements below is valid? A. The body temperature of the bird varied less than that of the lizard during changes in environmental temperature. B. The body temperature of the lizard is always close to that of the environmental temperature. C. The bird's blood was always warmer than that of the lizard. And D. The body temperature of the bird remained constant despite changes in environmental temperature. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. The body temperature of the bird remained constant despite the changes in environmental temperature. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.